Hey, I'm Phil from Elgato, and I want to show you just how quick and easy it is to look great on camera with Keylight Neo. Keylight Neo is a large diffuse light that gives you great lighting when using a webcam or even your laptop camera. Simply place it on your monitor or laptop, taking up no desk space, connect it to an available USB port, and instantly light up your scene. The large diameter light with soft diffusion and up to 800 lumens of brightness gives you all the light you need, even in challenging conditions. The front of Keylight Neo keeps your most important controls in arm's reach. Turn the dial to change brightness or press the dial and adjust color temperature from cool to warm, giving you an instant glow up. Keylight Neo comes with a monitor mount so that it won't take up your desk space and that blends into your setup, giving it an appearance of floating whether placed on your monitor or on your laptop. With its compact form factor, Keylight Neo is perfect for taking on the go or hopping in a quick chat. Alongside the onboard controls, Keylight Neo integrates with our Control Center app, where you can pair Keylight with your Wi-Fi network or via USB. Adjust brightness and color temperature on the fly from the comfort of your setup. Oh, and it even works with Stream Deck. To get the best performance from Keylight Neo, here are some tips. If you want more even lighting across your scene, move Keylight Neo closer to your camera. For a more dramatic and cinematic look, move Keylight Neo to one side of your setup. This will brighten up one side of your face and give the other side a slight shadow, increasing depth and intensity. With 800 lumens to work with, Keylight Neo is very powerful. Adjust the brightness so that you're well lit, but make sure you're not overdoing it. Now, you'll look great on camera, whether presenting to colleagues or live streaming that epic gaming moment.